Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start a JavaScript new series. So first हम start करने वाले हैं. So it is very important to know the learning flow. How we are going to learn topic wise. So हम क्या क्या topic cover करने वाले हैं वो उस टाइप की वीडियो रहेगी. उसमें हम पूरा सिलेबस या फिर जो हम टॉपिक कवर करेंगे एडवांस भी होगा, ओप्स भी होंगे, उसमें बेसिक्स भी होंगे. ऑब्वियसली बेसिक्स आर गोइंग टू बी देयर. सो वो सब कवर करेंगे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम लेट्स सी द टॉपिक्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर. लेट्स कम बैक टू आवर स्क्रीन. So yes, JavaScript learning flow. It's going to be like first of all we are going to cover the basics. Of course, basics are like introduction of JavaScript. What is JavaScript? The features, advantages, and we should know the history of JavaScript. And in history, we are going to cover the versions too. So next, variables. Variables are the most important. Is the most important topic. Basics. It comes under basics only. Variables are they are like let, where, and const, and there are different kind of data types. And also we are going to cover the expressions and operators. And we are going to do some of the exercises, kind of exercises in between to revise and learn something advanced topics, some advanced topics through the use of examples. Okay. Now next, what is the next? So yeah, here next comes the control structures. Control structures are like if else, if. These are we do what we do in that. Conditional. These are kind of conditionals. And there comes some looping statements like for and for while. So sorry, ये मेरा गलती से ये while की जगह H हमारा मिस हो गया है, गलती से टाइप हो गया है, और कोई बात नहीं. चलो, for, while, do while, break, continue, switch, ternary, operator. These are going to be covered in control structures only. And the functions. The most important thing of any of the languages, functions. Any of the language. If we talk about any of the language, the difference, there are kind of difference in the syntaxes and all, but this is the most important topic. So in functions, we should know the parameters and what are parameters and arguments. So parameters and arguments, then function expressions, and template is strings. Kind of it doesn't comes under functions, but I have kept it in functions only. This is also the important topic, should be covered while learning JavaScript. So now arrow functions. Arrow function is the most important one if we are talking about JavaScript. Okay. See, next important topic comes the array. So in array we are going to learn the different methods in the array, and crude operations, and there are different methods like math, reduce, and these kinds of functions. And we do find method. We do use find method, sorting and comparing, and searching, and of course filter too. And for each is a kind of loop. These both are loops which we use in array. Okay. And of course traversal of array, because array is a collection of different we can say बहुत सारे उसमें हमारे नंबर्स, आइदर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डाटा टाइप्स के, मतलब उसमें अलग अलग हम कलेक्शन होता है वो डाटा टाइप्स का. बहुत सारे अलग अलग डिफरेंट डाटा टाइप्स हम एक साथ स्टोर कर सकते हैं. लाइक इफ वी हैव टू स्टोर सम नंबर्स और table of 2, we store in 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. These are, if we want to contain this in a one box, then we use array for that. So to traverse through that we have to use traversal only. So we are going to cover this now. What is next? Okay. Next is string. See, in string, escape characters a topic हर language में होता है. This is a topic which is included in almost every language. And searching, extracting, replacing, and string method. And here comes important topic, date and time को हम कैसे date and time अगर हमें use करना है, like clock हम बना रहे हैं तो either it is a simple topic, but what we have to do, we have to see date and time की जरूरत तो पड़ेगी ना, clock बना रहे हैं. So how we are going to get that? Using date and time methods. So we are going to cover that. And math object is the most important one for the like mathematical operations, like kind of. So we are also going to cover math object. Now what is the next? So yeah, DOM manipulation is the most important topic in JavaScript. So we are going to cover that. And in that, of course, window. And window has like 3 parts. We can divide a window in 3 parts: DOM manipulation, BOM manipulation, and JS objects. JS objects is somewhat different. And see, DOM manipulation is document object model. BOM is बॉम आपको बताना है क्या होता है, ठीक है. कमेंट सेक्शन में बॉम क्या होता है ये बताओ. डॉम सबको पता होगा बट बॉम नहीं पता होगा, मे बी यू हैव टू टेल. सो ये जो होता है ना विंडो का, एक समझ लो ये चाइल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट है. चाइल्ड है मतलब इसी के विंडो के अंदर ही ये सारे आते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इवेंट्स that also comes under these kinds of manipulations. See, object is also one of the, as JavaScript is object oriented one. So object, we are going to cover object. Different properties are going to be covered, and destructuring too, and object literals obviously. Then we are having some other properties. And see, this is not only enough for learning JavaScript. There are many topics which we are going to cover, but it is not those topics are not included in JavaScript roadmap. So don't worry about that. इस वीडियो में नहीं भी है, then also we are going to cover those different topics. Many topics are there. Other properties are spread operator, string padding, flat, nullish operator. We are going to cover all these operators and many more operators with that. And other properties to see. Now comes the most important part of the video, advanced JavaScript. In advanced JavaScript, we all know asynchronous programming is one of the most important topic. Then event propagation, then higher order function, lexical scope, closures, event loops, and what are others? Function carrying, callback hell, and higher order function, and Ajax with the XML HTTP request, APIs promises async await, JSON format. We should know what is JSON format, also the BASIN format. Okay, we are going to cover BASIN format too in this video. You should know what is BASIN format. Now, oops, the different and the last most topic of the video is oops. In oops, we all know objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. These all are covered, and we are going to see about the design patterns, memory management, and garbage collection, interfaces too. So these all we are going to cover, and there's more stuff we have not seen in this video. We might have not seen, so but we are going to cover. So I hope you all will be staying tuned to see the next video. So bye bye, we'll meet in our next video.